Yikes. Oh, look at this freaking trailer. Okay, so I have some updates. It's been a couple days. In real life, Pippa's drinking water in the background. From when I last vlogged, because my boyfriend unexpectedly showed up, which was fine. But I didn't know we were going to be seeing each other. So, obviously I hung out with him, and then he ended up having car trouble that we worked on, and then did my oxygen sensor. So between both of us working on cars, well, his truck, my Pilot, and it being so dusty, this place is a wreck. I have not washed my hair in real life since I did the hair washing video, and I'm like, I'm out of time, baby. I'm out of time to tolerate how dirty my hair is. The layers of dust on this floor, because of how like fine the dust is at this campsite, and us having the door open and coming in and out, and our clothes being dusty from being on the ground, and the dog, I like can't even breathe in here. And my sink, I'm out of tank space, so we've been having to do like the gray water bucket. So none of my dishes are clean. We've just been like washing them as we need them. So this has turned into quite the ordeal in here, which is red life. Not surprising by any stretch of the imagination, but like now we really aren't gonna see each other probably till December, which really sucks. But he's the dustier one of the couple, because instead of putting like a rug down or something to work on his truck, he will just lay in the dirt. Whereas I try to stay less dusty because my allergies are always so bad. So I was trying to clean up this morning, and it's just getting frustrating. So I just booked a night at that same KOA I was at, what now? Literally a full 2 weeks ago, because today is Sunday in real life. So I've been here for a full 2 weeks. I made it that long off grid, which is great. But I'm gonna go plug in so I can have running water, I can shower, I can dump my tanks, I can fill up my fresh water, I can clean, do the dishes without having to worry about tank space, and just do like a full reset day, go get groceries, stock up, because then I am leaving here to go all the way down to Scottsdale. Pippa has a vet appointment on Wednesday, so she has to get her vaccinations done, her rabies, all of that, and then she needs to get her teeth cleaned, but we can't schedule the teeth cleaning until she goes for the first appointment, which is super annoying, because Scottsdale is, obviously I can't just like drive the RV through Scottsdale. I guess I can, but I don't know, that sounds like a nightmare to me. So I'm gonna have to get a campground down there somewhere to be able to take her to the vet, which is why it sucks that they won't let me schedule the teeth cleaning so I know how long I'm gonna be there. But that's how things go. So I figured let's reset in case we drive down there, do the appointment, and then have to boondock for a while until the teeth cleaning appointment, which is also fine. So yeah, so now we're traveling again, we're back up. I need to get the hell out of Colorado. Not that I don't like Colorado, I love Colorado, but I've been here now all summer. No, it's getting cold at night, and I'm tired of being cold, and I'm just ready to get south and like kind of go back to my routine. I have a better routine for the winter because obviously the places I go, I've been now for 3 winters, and there's less places to kind of go because everybody usually stays in like California, Arizona, Texas, Florida. So, and since I stay on the western side of the United States, I just bounce back and forth between Arizona and California. So I'm excited to get back down there. It always feels so long by the time the winter is over, but right now I'm ready to be out in the desert and hanging out. Also, I went back to REI because we were waiting. He had to get like a custom hose made for his power steering because he's got like a Frankenstein truck basically. because everything's like custom that he does for his rig. And so we had to go to Napa to get like a custom hose for it to fit. So we were waiting and REI was right there. And so he was like, I'm gonna lay down in the back of your car and take a nap. And I said, I'm gonna go bargain hunting again. And so I found a rain jacket, which is really cute, on sale again, and some Chacos because my Birkenstocks are nearing the end of their life. So I will show you guys those later. But for now, I need to break everything down where I've been camping and hook up and go back over to that campsite and like literally start my day. I can check in at noon and it's 10:30 right now. So by the time I can like mosey my way along and then drive over there, I'll be able to check in right when I can so I can have a full day of laundry, groceries, and showers. I need to shower like 6 times. I'm so disgusting. All right, so let's do that.
I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. Relax your mind and let it unwind. No time for fights. Just open your eyes to see the line. Don't hesitate now. There's too much in front of you to take a hit now. Prepare for the worst, but prepare for the best. Cause only your mind holds the curse that you partner with it. I ain't tryna stop you from the love that guides you. I just wanna be the one to try you, mold you, make sure that you're on a good road. Little did you know, I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. Ooh. This is the love and the flow that I live by. Just realize what it is and pass the lie. So don't be shy to get high. Got this green for the get by. Don't hold back on this here fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. Got a pack in the back and a seat on my left. What you wanna do, baby? You the best. Coming from the east, not the west. Southside got it written on my chest. And you know this is real love. I just wanna be the one to guide you, mold you, make sure that you're on the right road. Little did you know, I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, 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 fly. I can get fly, fly,
All clean, all clean, all clean. Laundry's picked up, all clean, all clean. Look at this, no dust on the floor. Oh, these are my new tacos I was gonna show you guys. Those are cute. Look how beat up my Birkenstocks are. No dirt on the floor, no dirt on the floor. It looks so clean and nice. Yeah, 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 yeah. My rug's still outside drying. This is terrible lighting from what kind of time of day it is, but this is the mop I used, and it is a collapsible bucket just like this one, but it comes with this little piece so you can like squeegee the mop down and like drain the water. And then this handle all collapses down so everything can get stored in the bucket. Super easy. And then I can just slide it over there and pretend it doesn't exist anymore. And obviously this is still drying, but I'll link the bucket. I'll talk about it more later though. Like I said, I'll talk about the mop when I'm like more mentally stable because I'm tired and I'm over it. Pippa, her grocery order kept getting delayed, so I'm gonna have to pick that up tomorrow morning. So I'm gonna end the vlog and I will just see you there because I'm done with today. Okay, bye.